Hello everyone, welcome to Bitcoin World Crypto channel. If you want to earn free income without any investment, this is the right place. You can subscribe my channel and can earn free different cryptocurrencies, and later you can convert them into USDT, BUSD, TRX, any cryptocurrency in which you are interested, and you can withdraw it into your wallet. So today we'll discuss new project. Its name is Token Ads. Token Ads is also 100% free earning platform where you can watch ads and videos and can earn free ADC token. ADC is token ticker, as you can read it. 100% free. Everyone welcome to join and collect ADC token. So this is the main website. Simply you have to register yourself by clicking on this register button. After registration, you can simply watch different ads. When you click on ads, these are the ads. As you can see here, this is the timer. 25 seconds this ad you will spend and will get one ADC token, and this timer is 15 seconds and its reward is 0.5 ADC token. So simply you have to watch ads and can earn ADC token and then sell them into exchange and can get real money. You can also claim 3 free ADC token, and this is the detail. You can see here 2080 members already registered on this website, and today 8 members are new who joined this website, and ADC is 0 paid because this is new website, so the payment is not paid yet, and 3024 visitor already visit this website. And this is the detail how you can earn ADC token. Watch advertising, complete offers, staking and yield farming, promote and earn up to 100% commission, join community forum and earn more. And this is the detail. When you hold ADC token, what will happen? Working product, real use case advertising platform. You can use your ADC token to place your own advertisement on this website. Quarterly BNB revenue share, continuous development and upgrades, community governance. When you click on earn, as I show you, you can earn ADC token by watching different advertising. When you click on buy ADC, this is the page. You can know blockchain powered advertising platform, creating a robust advertising platform that will offer marketing and yield farming opportunities to our members. You can simply click here for free ads token, and this is the Telegram group. You can also join it, and this is the white paper detail of this project. You can also read it, and this is the detail of public sale and airdrop. You can purchase with 0.05 BNB worth of ADC token. You can also upgrade your diamond membership on this website by investing on this website, and this is the airdrop claim button here. You can also claim this airdrop with MetaMask and with Trust Wallet. And this is the detail. Minimum buy 0.01 BNB, you will get 10 ADC token. Maximum is 10 BNB, you will receive 10,000 ADC token, and its listing price will 1.50 per ADC token, and they will list on PancakeSwap, Hotbit, Probit in February 15, 2022. And this is the tokenomics detail of ads. Token name is Token Ads, symbol ADC, decimal 18, total supply, and this is the contract address. When you click on it, you can simply copy it and can find it on PancakeSwap. So simply register yourself on this website by clicking on this registration button and fill out this form and can start your free earning without any investment. Choose your username here, type your password, retype it and choose your unique pin, verify pin, and then this is the referral code. It is optional. Enter your full name here, your email address, and this is the captcha. Security map is written here, and this is the map. You can simply click on it, and this is the button. You have to accept all terms and service and then create account. After verification your email, you can simply work on this website and can watch ads to get ads token. So this is the end of the video. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.